Boker's is well known for its huge range of quality washers, spacers and shims and stamped component parts that make their way into a wide variety of products. But just how far does that range extend? Hi, I'm Tim Webster. In the 100+ years that Boker's has been serving its customers, they've earned a reputation for products that are strong, durable, lightweight and finely finished. But did you know that their products are also used in implements such as fixed blade knives, folding pocket knives and multi-tools? The multi-tool market uses Boker's spacers and shims to minimise friction and wear, while on the fixed blade side, Boker's provides spacers and handle slabs to be mounted to the blade. Boker's offers over 32,000 stock tools to manufacture non-standard flat washers, spacers and shims in over 2,000 commonly used and hard to find materials with no tooling charges. The company stamps components up to 12 inches by 12 inches, thicknesses from 0.005 to 0.190 inches. To find out more about Boker's capabilities for the multi-tool industry, visit them at bokers.com. Thanks for watching.